Shut the up, stupid. Good morning, YouTube, and welcome back to another video. Long time no see, so I'm excited to see you guys today. You know, I've been working a lot and it's gotten cold, so the car show season's kind of winded down. Not been much to do, so today I'm probably the second most excited I've ever been about this car, other than the day I bought it. I'll explain why. Guys, I don't want to, try to keep this a secret the whole video. I have a M4 GTS wing with the high risers. Can you chill? With the high risers going on. So this is a super tall wing. I'm taking it to Empowered, getting ready to load it up in the car and get this thing down there, guys. This is super controversial, and I've had like 50% support, 50% backlash on if I should do this or not. And guys, be honest with you, this is my toy. This is my weekend car. It's my fun car. I don't really care. I think that it's gonna be insanely cool. I don't drive this car every day. If I did, I would feel differently about having a wing on it, but I would also feel differently about 90% of the modifications that I have. So I'm gonna do it. I think I'm gonna love it. And if you don't like it, you can, unsubscribe and go on and watch other videos that don't involve wings. I don't know. I had somebody say like it's too tall, it looks ricey, it's just too big of a wing. And like my thought process is kind of like the other way around. The OEM M4 GTS wing with the regular risers that come OEM from BMW, they're too short. They look ricey to me. They look like something that was just thrown on the car from like Alibaba or something like that. So I kind of think oppositely. I think the bigger the wing, the more aggressive, the more track focused it looks. Just my opinion. I don't want like a huge chassis mounted wing or anything like that, but I think that the other wing looks just not thought out, not planned, kind of just thrown on there. Kind of looks like, I don't know, like the TRD wing on a Camry. Take that as an insult if you will. I didn't mean it that way, but that's kind of what it reminds me of. So I think that the taller risers from RW Carbon, I think are better. You're gonna see though, we're all gonna see. I've taken pictures of it kind of mocked up on my car, and a lot of people commented on it. I mean, I had a ton of positive feedback as well as negative, but it's my car at the end of the day, and I'm gonna do what I want to do to it.
What's up?
What's up, man?
See ya.
What you doing?
Waiting on you, man.
We got Caden working on a Porsche.
Yep.
Look, it's packed in here, dude. I'm gonna leave him be. For all the people out there searching the internet trying to find pictures of this is what it looks like on an F80. The bracket for this wing. Cademan's not interested in doing any more of these, so don't hit us up on that.
Just a little time consuming.
Yeah, and a little nerve-wracking.
Can't just sit here and think about it. I just gotta do it. Why don't you do it quickly? Coming through?
No, I don't see it yet.
Okay, good. Alright, I think it's through the first layer.
There it goes.
We made it.
We made it through.
We made it through. Guys are awesome. There you go. Thanks.
We drilled a hole, and we gotta let you look at it and inspect it.
Where is it?
See, you can't
I
even
see
see
it over there. All right, it's in there.
We got one. Only
1,
3 more to go.
3 more.
6 if you count the bracket, but the bracket's not. You're not really worried
the
about.
Ones that count.
That's how. That's exactly what I said.
I think these 3 are more important because this is what lines it up. At least in my case.
So if you do a good job on those, then you're not really worried about the holes you're drilling in the trunk.
There's no template.
Yeah. Also, Cademan said he's never doing another one of these again.
Really? Yeah, I could be doing a coolant pipe on a Porsche right now.
Wow, made me feel special then.
I'm just going for them both, honestly.
He's so tired of this.
I think it's looking mean.
What do you think, man?
Dude, I like it, man.
I do too.
I'm a fan of it. I know not everyone is a fan of stuff like that, but I am.
I am too, man.
It's on my face.
We're a little. I know we're little kids, man. It looks wild. Like it looks ready to hit a track.
Hit myself in the back of the that's like pretty much perfect mounting, I think.
Probably gonna lose subscribers over this, but peace out, because I don't need you. It looks cool, man.
Peace.
It looks stupid cool. I love it. It's so aggressive.
Looks really good. Sometimes you don't know. Well,
I mean, it's very in your face. Like
here's
it's.
the thing. You gotta make your car your own.
Yeah.
So no one can tell you otherwise. You know, they can do their car how they like. They can do their M3 how they like.
Yeah. Well, me personally, you know, like I said, I spend a lot of time in the mountains actually pushing my car, so I thought a wing would be like a good, tasteful type of thing for me. So.
Right, well, it's a fun car. And the whole point
It's my toy. It's not like I drive it every day.
The whole point of having fun is to do fun things.
Yeah. All right, guys. So I'm home with the car. Molly's going crazy. She loves it. I'm home with the car, and it looks amazing to me. I thought that this wing only looked good on the M4. Look how you can see it above. Oh my gosh, it's so aggressive, and it looks amazing. I don't care what anybody says. This is my car. I like what I like. I think that personally it looks really good with this wing on here. Do not worry, this video is not over, because guess where I'm going? I'm getting ready to hop into the other car and drive all the way to South Carolina and pick up a Yas Marina Blue M3 trunk. This will be my designated wing trunk, and then the new trunk is going to be whenever I don't feel like being hot boy, because this thing is crazy. Let's take some more looks at it. So now I'm going to hop in the F30 and be driving to my brother's shop and picking up one of his trucks. Also, I quit making F30 content because it wasn't doing good, but I did get this thing squared away. I did get it wrapped and it's looking good. It's been a really good daily driver for me, so.
I'm making the E92 M3, which it's a pre-LCI.
Ah, fuck this traffic.
Valuable models. Most people want to go.
New trunk, well, used but in very good condition. Just got to get some crap off of it, but you know I can work my magic. I think I'm doing this right. Have an extra trunk in case you don't want the wing on for a while is the way to go for sure. Driving this all the way to South Carolina was not fun, but we got it done. What's up, everybody? So it's been a few days since the wing install. If you're wondering if I regret it, I absolutely don't. Literally love, I don't know if you can see that back there, but the way that this thing looks in my rear view mirror whenever you turn around is like, I love the way that this wing looks. I've gotten tons of compliments on this car. I think that whenever you have a car like this and you do something like, you know, it's a GTS wing, I think that people appreciate it. And, you know, of course, everybody doesn't like a wing. You know, if you don't like it, I'm sorry, but it's my car at the end of the day, and I'm gonna do what I want to do to it. I'm gonna do what I think will make me happy. And this makes me happy. I don't care. Call me childish. Call it ricey if you want to. I've already, you know, heard that before I even got it put on. But I love the wing. I mean, I'm loving it. I'm sorry that it's taken me so long to get videos put out, but I am very, very busy at work. It's making my life a little bit complicated, but that's what I have to do in order to have these things. It is what it is. I want to make YouTube videos for a living for you guys. I love making these videos and, you know, getting the feedback and having the people comment, or when someone messages me and tells me that they watch my channel, that makes me extremely happy. But I don't get paid to do this, so for now we're gonna keep working. I haven't really had a chance to make like a cinematic edit of the wing, so I guess that's what I'm trying to figure out how to do today on this Sunday. It's the first day I've had. It's been almost a week with the wing and I haven't been able to drive the car at all, so yeah, my life. Anyway, drop in the comments and tell me what you actually think of the wing. I know a lot of people already liked it whenever I posted a mock-up picture, and some people told me no, get icons. Save that money and get icons, guys. I'm getting icons, okay? I'm getting LCI2 icon headlights. I'm gonna do that. It kills me when people tell me that, like, they don't understand at all what the process is like to get those. If you get OEM, you're spending $3,800, and then you have to, you know, buy the modules, the wiring harness, and you have to code it and do all that. Like, I'm doing my research. I'm doing my research trying to figure out what's the best option for me. So chill out with the icon shit. I'm getting those headlights, but damn. You want me to spend $4 grand? This wing and having it installed costed me half of what one icon headlight cost. I'll get them. Anyways, let me know what you think of the wing. I personally love it. I think it looks freaking amazing. And at the end of the day, that's all that really matters to me. So I'm gonna try to not argue with anybody in the comments below, but I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace.